Man, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Nas, back in another video. And hey man, say man, I got a great video for y'all today. As y'all read that title, y'all know what it is. So a year ago from today, I bought a shifter cart, right? That motor on that shifter cart couldn't get that thing to run properly where I live. So, you know, Harbor Freight has their 212 Predator kit. So I'm like, I could potentially get this thing up and running. So the initial plan was to make it electric, right? But electric costs a lot of money, right? And then there's not a lot of kits out there. Looked all over, super expensive, and then they're always out of stock. I want to bring some content to the channel that I haven't brought to the channel yet. And yeah, so we went out and picked up a motor, and yeah, we're gonna get this thing running. So it should be a pretty fun project. I should have it up and running by the end of the week, but yeah, I'm gonna do step by step of us getting this thing running. And yeah, y'all just sit back, grab your popcorn, and yeah, it should be a good little series. So this is the box that it comes in. So this motor by Predator is an official go-kart engine, right, that they make. It's kind of hard to find. You can order it on their website, but in store, super hard to find. I ended up finding this one on Marketplace. Got a cool deal on it, so I ended up picking it up. But yeah, this motor is 4 carts. So super simple, straight out of the box. Took it out of the box. Only had to put a couple things on it, but here it is. So you already got your carburetor. Then I put this elbow on it, and yeah, it's pull start. Don't have to worry about bump starting anymore. Got your on-off switch there. Comes with a fuel pump. Literally comes with everything. And then they have a separate kit that has like your exhaust in it. It'll have your gaskets, fuel line, fuel filter, clamps, like everything, man, like you name it. Look, it even comes with a funnel too. But the only thing that it does not come with is clutch for the front here and like sprockets. So I guess they leave that up to you to deal with, which is pretty hard when you're trying to take one motor off and put another motor on, and you got to deal with that. But they leave that up to you to do. So I got the cart here, got the motor, took it off. I still got a couple other things to take off, but this is where we're at so far. So got a fuel lines off, throttle off here, motors off. Got our intercooler off from the other side. I still got like a bunch of stuff to take off, and I'm gonna clean the cart up a little bit because it's been sitting for about a year, right? So it's pretty dirty. It has a lot of grease on it, a lot of 2-stroke oil and gas. So here's the other motor over here. As you can see, like it's already been leaking since I've been taking it. I took it off. Like these 2-stroke motors, man, they're just so hard to maintain. So I wanted to simplify it and make it a little easier. So this is the CRS motor. I think it's like an Italian brand, but yeah, I just couldn't keep this thing running. So yeah, if you want to buy it, let me know. It does run. I just couldn't keep it running. So if you know more about 2-strokes than I do, hit me up. Hit my comments. We can arrange something. I'll sell it for cheap. And I have like pistons, so I have a bunch of stuff for it. So yeah, man. Gas tanks over there. I do have to do a little bit of repairing to it because I did crack it by accident. So we will repair that. And then I do have the intercooler over here as well. Also have the water pump or the coolant pump back here still. I will be taking this off. But yeah, I mean, if y'all see any parts that, you know, I don't need, you can get in those comment sections, and then you can reach out to me. I'll respond, and then we can get something going. But yeah, so this is where we are right now. So it'll be exciting to get this thing up and running in the next week. So yeah, when the parts will start rolling in, I'll start making more videos about it. And hopefully, you know, like I said, by the end of the week, we can get this thing running. My birthday is on the 9th. So hopefully I can get it running before my birthday. But if not, then, you know, it is what it is. I'll just make it into a long series. But yeah, super cool project. Can't wait to get this thing on the road. Yeah, y'all see the ground right there too. Battery's dead in it. Haven't been riding it, but plan to get some content with that as well. So y'all see it. If y'all got any questions, man, y'all put it down in the comment section. Should be fairly simple. Should be fairly simple, swapping this over. Yeah, if y'all like the video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, your boy's out.